Sup guys, this is Justin. We'll be sharing what we are doing to achieve financial freedom, and we are confident that these will be very valuable pieces of information. Of course, these are not financial advice and are only reference points for your investment activities. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our channel mentioned in the video description or leave a comment. Today's video will cover the steps you need to receive coins worth $1,000 to $100,000 through airdrops. This is the second video following the previous one, and I will tell you the key points of the video's topic before diving into the projects. It is all about leaving transaction and usage records on projects where potential airdrops are expected. Managing multiple accounts can often yield good returns due to the substantial scale of many projects. However, you should be cautious about your accounts not meeting the criteria or falling victims to civil attacks. Therefore, it's advisable to engage within your manageable limits. Let's see how much money you could have made with the task introduced today. Widespread awareness of cryptocurrency airdrops owes much to projects like Arbitrum. For Arbitrum, most people receive over 2,000 coins, and the current price of Arbitrum is around $2. I've seen many people around me receiving anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 coins. The recent Testnet airdrop is another good example. The minimum airdrop amount was 500, and many people received between 2,000 to 5,000 coins. The current price of Testnet coin is around $2.5. It's worth nothing that all the information I'm providing is based on a single account. As you know, many people operated multiple accounts. I'll skip further explanations. If the previous video focused on simple tasks for daily airdrops, today's content requires a bit more effort and investment. However, considering the potential expected value of these tasks, it's recommended to engage in them alongside the ones introduced in the previous video. I personally participate in all these activities. Before introducing the projects, let's summarize the key points you should remember. Volume. How much value have you contributed through transactions? Transactions count. The frequency of your transaction activities. Usage frequency. How regularly have you left transaction traces? Dapp utilization. The variety of Dapps you have utilized. Wallet balance. The remaining balance in your wallet. If you keep these 5 factors in mind and perform the tasks, positive outcomes are highly likely. Although airdrop criteria vary across projects, I'm confident that if you meet the criteria mentioned above, you'll be in a good position. Now, assuming you understand these points, let's proceed with the introduction of the project. zkSync is currently the most anticipated project for living transactions. It has secured the largest market share among zk rollup solutions and received investments from major VCs such as Coinbase, Huobi, and Binance. With a fundraising of $250 million, zkSync provides the lowest transaction fees and high scalability. While you might think it's late to get involved now, it's crucial to undertake tasks for zkSync to prepare for potential FOMO. Here is a summary of the task I recommend. Fill in transaction volumes of $10,000 or more through the official bridge, include Dapp. Achieve swap volumes of $10,000 or more. Try various Dapps as much as possible. Consistently engage in activities. Maintain a wallet balance of at least 0.01 Ethereum. That was one of the criteria for the Testnet airdrop. While there are various bridges available, It's advisable to use the official bridge to leave transaction traces. For example, depositing $1,000 worth of Ethereum and withdrawing it back through the bridge would result in a bridge volume of $2,000. Similarly, with swaps, try using various dApps. Once the basic volume tasks are done, regularly use dApps. Providing liquidity to a dApp by depositing your asset into LP, it means liquidity pool, is also a good method. I recommend leaving transaction at least once every day. As mentioned earlier, the minimum transaction volume I recommend is based on the minimum required by most projects for airdrops. Lately, some consider activities on the Ethereum chain as a criterion for airdrop eligibility. This is due to high gas fee on the Ethereum chain, leading to the filtering of bot or airdrop-only accounts. Therefore, occasionally leave transaction traces on the Ethereum chain when gas fees are low, such as swapping on Uniswap or using OpenSea. All the necessary links for video explanation are provided, so please refer to them. While explaining the zkSync task, there's a project that cannot be left out, and I would like to provide additional information about it. GRVT is a hybrid derivative exchange supported by zkSync. One of its significant features is direct investment from the zkSync development team. Moreover, it allows you to operate without currently investing any money. KYC is scheduled, so managing multiple accounts may seem challenging, but it is strongly recommended to have at least one account. You can find various dApps of zkSync on the current screen. The site link will be attached in the video description. Here, you can perform various tasks such as bridging, swapping, and NFT trading. Using various dApps is an essential requirement, as I mentioned earlier. Scroll is a protocol based on ZKP technology, a layer 2 solution. It has received investment totaling $83 million through Polychain Capital and others, with a valuation reaching an impressive $1.8 billion. I anticipate a token release around the latter half of this year. Therefore, I strongly recommend engaging in related tasks. The method is identical to the one explained for zkSync. The image you are currently viewing showcases dApps within the Scroll ecosystem for reference. Detailed information about the task will be uploaded to my Telegram channel for an appropriate video length, so feel free to join if you are interested. Taiko is a ZK rollup project that has received $22 million in investments from OKX and KuCoin. Currently, you can perform operations on the testnet without incurring any cost. In fact, you can conduct these operations for free without investing even a dollar, making it a potential airdrop opportunity. Not engaging in such activities essentially implies that you are not interested in making money. While testnet activities were often excluded from airdrop eligibility in the past, there is a growing trend to include them in recent times. Even if you don't receive anything tangible, you have not lost anything, and your understanding of the ecosystem has increased, potentially aiding in the future transactions. You can also leave testnet transactions by performing tasks such as bridging and swapping, just like you would on the mainnet. The necessary information for this will also be provided in the video descriptions. Tabi is a decentralized platform for deploying and trading NFTs. It has received investment totaling $11 million through Binance Labs, Animoca, and others. Personally, I pay close attention to projects associated with Binance Labs. Tabi also offers testnet operations that can be conducted without any upfront investment. As mentioned earlier, engaging in tasks that don't require any money is highly recommended. Zora is a project that has raised approximately $60 million through platforms like Coinbase. It provides a cheaper layer 2 environment instead of the high gas fees typically associated with the Ethereum chain. Zora's main focus is on NFT-related activities, including registration, bridging, NFT deploy, and minting. Especially since Zora's Dapp is currently not available, I recommend exploring various activities such as creating collections on the Zora marketplace. Furthermore, you can purchase Zorb NFTs to potentially seize airdrop opportunities. Of course, it's worth considering the high gas fees and costs before purchasing this NFT because it's uncertain whether it will guarantee an opportunity for an airdrop. Rabby Wallet, developed by Dapp, has announced an upcoming airdrop through its point system. As those who have used the wallet may know, its user-friendly environment surpasses that of MetaMask by far. Moreover, it displays my asset at a glance, often helping me rediscover forgotten assets. Rabby Wallet's point system allows earning through features like invites, swaps, and gas tune-up. Among these, I recommend utilizing the swap feature. Swapping Matic for WMatic incurs minimal costs and enables acquiring points efficiently. There are many cryptocurrency airdrop projects out there, but I'm selecting and introducing the one I believe you should definitely consider. So, if your circumstances allow, be sure to do these tasks. Some tasks may no longer be feasible due to the passage of time since the project started. I recommend doing even the tasks that are currently possible. Also, please consider participating in the simple repetitive tasks introduced in the previous video. The little time you invest each day may turn into a big reward later. Thank you for watching my video today, and if it was helpful, please subscribe and join my channel. Thank you.